Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2015 Audi A4 Premium Plus S-Line edition for sale here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. Do a quick walk around here. Just serviced it, drives really good. You see there's a little ding here on the door, driver's side door. Besides that though, body's in really good shape. Interior's really clean. Has leather, Bluetooth. See here like a real small touch up there and real little ding right there on the rear bumper cover. Go ahead and check out the interior. Said it is a S-Line. Comes with the nicer wheels. Black leather, sunroof, Bluetooth, heated seats, navigation. Go ahead and give her a start up. Has 69,992 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056, or you can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any service on any Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche vehicle in the southern Mississippi area, definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.